S10 crossmember dilemma. The angle is like literally right where the bolts have to go through.
Also, I told him to do a performance.
Oh, new idea for the transmission crossmember. Basically, the nuts where the transmission mount was right on the freaking edge of this guy. So I just made this plate, got another piece of angle iron, making a box. That way the nuts can go right there. All right, just gonna slap some weld on her. Yeah, I think this thing looks sweet though. Like being up there, this is the back of it.
It's like a trailer hitch.
Alright, I'll paint it black. Gonna throw it back in the truck, line up the holes, and then drill them. That way I can put the bolts in. This puppy's done. Alright, bunch of hours later. Freaking transmission crossmember is in. All tightened up and everything. Kind of wrecked the paint putting it in and stuff, but it's freaking bolted down. All lined up with the rear end. Better check fitment on the headers. Headers look fucking sweet. I'm having to use the old bolts for now just to line it up. I didn't even get it all the way tight. I need new bolts because the bolts that came with it don't fit. I just put the truck up on these ramps. I was gonna put this header on for start testing clearance and stuff, but I'm gonna put the starter on first because that bad boy still has to go down there. It's a starter that came off of the motor. It's all busted. Here's some old sauced up one. Some just used one. There's a brand new one. But the brand new one's a little bit bigger than stock. Like width wise. Starter's on. It's pretty sweet down there. So gonna put this header on now. Headers are on. I still have to put the gaskets in and get different bolts because these are the original ones and they're a little too long. So there's that, and then I'm probably gonna do the same thing I did to the other S10. Just cut those flanges off and weld a pipe directly to them to run below the truck. Look at this little guy I just found. He is fucking saucy. Yeah, I'm just fucking around at this point. Gonna try to flip this car over or it's just gonna slide. Either way, I'll get on the other side of it and then flip it the other way. Got the chain hook to the top. This window's for sure gonna bust. Way easier than I thought. The window didn't even break. That's pretty crazy. I want to roll it all the way over, but I don't want to fuck up these T-posts right here. It just rained, thankfully, like last night, so the ground's all soggy. I was able to rip those up. Now I'm gonna flip this all the way over. Alright, I got all the wheels off, threw those in the truck. Gonna pull out the rear end. I don't know, maybe later today, tomorrow, something like that.